Imagine moving water across mountains, valleys, and entire cities. Without engines, without electricity, and without a single moving machine. Thousands of years ago, ancient engineers solved this problem with nothing but stone, gravity, and an understanding of nature that still amazes modern scientists. Some of these systems are still standing today, and some of them still work. Water has always been the foundation of civilization. Where water flows, cities grow. But many ancient cities were built far away from rivers and natural springs. There were no pumps, no motors, no modern tools. Yet somehow, water arrived exactly where it was needed. This is the story of ancient aqueducts and the engineers who mastered gravity long before modern science. Ancient cities faced a simple but deadly question. How do you supply clean water to tens of thousands of people every single day? Rivers were often far away. Wells were unreliable. Rain was unpredictable. Water had to travel long distances across uneven land. If the water flowed too fast, the structure would collapse. If it flowed too slowly, the water would stop. There was no room for error. A single mistake could mean the death of an entire city. The solution was elegant. Ancient engineers built aqueducts, long channels made of stone designed to guide water over vast distances. The secret was precision. The slope was almost invisible to the eye, but perfectly calculated. Just enough incline for water to move naturally. No force, no pressure. Just gravity doing all the work. Some aqueducts stretched for dozens, even hundreds of miles, crossing valleys, climbing hills, passing through tunnels and towering arches. What makes aqueducts truly remarkable is how precise they were. The difference in height from start to finish was often only a few meters. Ancient engineers used simple tools, basic mathematics, and careful observation. They understood how water behaves. They worked with the land, not against it. This is why many aqueducts have survived earthquakes, storms, and centuries of neglect. Unlike modern systems, aqueducts had no moving parts. Nothing to rust, nothing to break. They relied on balance, patience, and natural forces. When nature changed, the system adapted. This simplicity is the reason so many aqueducts still stand today. Silent reminders of a time when engineering meant understanding the world, not overpowering it. Modern technology is powerful, but ancient engineering teaches a different lesson. The most advanced solutions are not always the most complex. Sometimes the greatest innovations are the quiet ones, built slowly, designed carefully, and meant to last far beyond the people who created them. There are still countless ancient systems hidden across the world, structures we pass by without noticing, stories we rarely stop to explore. If this kind of ancient engineering fascinates you, there are many more stories like this waiting to be uncovered. Sometimes the future of innovation begins by looking back.